Hey guys, so it's me Arshia, and today I'm going to be doing a video. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing 5 types of slime pokers. So yeah, let's start with the video. The one who only pokes with one finger. The aggressive type. The one who pokes it really soft that you can't even hear it. The one who doesn't pop the bubbles. The one who mutes the video or puts so much music that you can't even hear the slime or anything. Okay, so yeah, bye guys. Please subscribe, like, and comment. If you want a part 2, comment down below. And time for shoutouts. And if you want shoutouts, then comment anything down below. It has to be nice, or it doesn't matter, but it can't be something rude. And so yeah, then I'll give you a shoutout. So yeah, bye guys.